Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Snow Remover is probably one of the most essential tools for homeowners and property managers during the harsh winter months, offering a powerful and efficient solution to clear driveways, sidewalks, and other outdoor areas from accumulating snow and ice. This device is designed to save you time and physical strain, transforming a daunting chore into a manageable task, ensuring safety and accessibility even after the heaviest snowfall. Its innovative features and robust construction make it a reliable companion for tackling winter's challenges head-on, providing peace of mind and a clear path forward. Number 5. Gleener 4-in-1 Fabric Shaver and Lint Brush. Revive your most loved items. This versatile tool gently removes fuzz, pills, and pet hair from all your fabrics, including delicate materials like cashmere and wool. Enjoy eco-friendly fabric care without batteries or electricity. It's perfect for use anytime, anywhere, saving you money and reducing waste. This tool offers 4 functions in one. It includes 3 interchangeable edges for depilling and a built-in lint brush for pet hair and dust. Unlike electric shavers, it has no moving parts, so it won't snag, tear, or damage your garments. It's ideal for everything from sweaters to furniture. Designed for comfort, its ergonomic handle makes tackling larger jobs like cushions and sofas effortless. Switching edges is simple with the quick-release button. Trusted by professionals, it restores fabrics to like-new condition. Get professional results easily in your own home. Its compact design and included travel pouch make it ideal for vacations or on-the-go touch-ups. Keep it in your bag for quick fixes anywhere. What we like. This is the ultimate tool for fabric care. If you love your delicate sweaters and want to keep them looking new, this is the perfect choice. It's eco-friendly and incredibly versatile for all your clothing and upholstery needs. What people say. This snow remover is very effective at clearing snow. The design of this snow remover is user-friendly and easy to operate. It has a powerful motor that can handle heavy snowfall. Number 4. Snow Joe SJ625E 15-amp corded electric snow blower. Tackle mid-size driveways and walkways with ease. This powerful electric snowblower makes clearing snow quick and simple. Enjoy the convenience of electric power. Forget about gas, oil, and messy tune-ups, even when the weather turns bad. Its robust motor moves up to 800 pounds of snow per minute. The adjustable chute directs snow up to 20 feet away. With a 21-inch wide and 12-inch deep clearing path, it efficiently removes snow, saving you time and effort. Compact wheels allow for easy movement around your property. Use it with an outdoor extension cord for even greater reach. What we like. For those with mid-sized driveways, this offers a fantastic balance of power and convenience. If you want to clear snow quickly without the hassle of gas and oil, this electric snow blower is an excellent option for you. What people say. The snow blower is powerful and clears heavy snow with ease. It's surprisingly lightweight and easy to maneuver around obstacles. The adjustable chute directs snow exactly where you want it, preventing buildup in unwanted areas. Number 3. Snow Joe SJ627E 15-amp electric snow blower. Tackle heavy snow with this high-performance electric snow blower. Its powerful motor delivers gas-like power, clearing up to 840 pounds of snow per minute. Clear more snow in less time. Its generous 22-inch clearing path and 13-inch intake depth are perfect for managing light to moderate snowfalls. Take control of where the snow goes. The adjustable chute directs snow up to 25 feet with precision and ease, making your clearing job simpler. Built to last, it features a heavy-duty all-steel auger with rubber-tipped blades. This ensures ground-level clearing while protecting your surfaces from damage. Clear snow even in low light with dual LED headlights. Its compact design and wheels offer easy maneuverability through tight spaces. Experience powerful, efficient, and convenient snow removal. It's designed for large driveways and walkways, making winter cleanup a breeze. What we like. If you have a larger driveway and need to tackle moderate snowfalls efficiently, this is the one to consider. Its wider clearing path and powerful motor mean less time spent clearing snow, even in low light conditions. What people say. This snow remover is very effective at clearing snow from my driveway. The design of the snow remover is ergonomic and easy to handle. It has a powerful motor that makes snow removal quick and efficient. Number 2. BIRDROCK Home Snow Brush with Ice Scraper. Tired of struggling with snow and ice on your car? Introducing a versatile tool designed to make winter car maintenance quick and easy. It's your complete solution for clear visibility in cold weather. This kit includes a wide snow brush and a detachable ice scraper, perfect for cars and SUVs. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to handle and store in your vehicle for immediate use. Crafted with a sturdy aluminum body and a flexible bristle brush, this tool is built to last. The detachable ice scraper is made from durable plastic, and the ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling. Quickly remove snow with the wide brush and clear away ice with the detachable scraper. Its compact size allows it to fit conveniently in your car, ready whenever you need it. We are committed to providing practical, high-quality automotive products. This snow brush and ice scraper combo is thoughtfully crafted to ensure your vehicle stays clear and safe during the harshest winter conditions. What we like. This is your go-to for quick car winter prep. If you need a simple, effective tool to brush away snow and scrape ice from your car's windows, this versatile combo is ideal for easy handling and storage. What people say. The snow blower is easy to assemble and starts up quickly. It handles heavy snow with ease and clears a wide path. The adjustable chute directs snow exactly where you want it. Number 1. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Electric Shovel Kit. Tired of back-breaking snow shoveling? This powerful cordless shovel makes clearing sidewalks, patios, and steps a breeze, even in the harshest winter conditions. Its robust auger cuts through snow with ease, clearing an 11-inch wide path and throwing snow up to 20 feet. Tackle even deep snow with confidence. Enjoy up to 370 square feet of clearing per charge with the efficient battery and quick charger. Say goodbye to gas and oil hassles. Weighing just 11.8 pounds and featuring a comfortable dual-handle design, it's easy to maneuver and reduces strain during use. Portability is key. The high-output motor moves up to 75 pounds of snow per minute. It's the perfect solution for keeping your small to medium-sized areas clear all winter long. What we like. For effortless snow removal in smaller areas, this cordless shovel is perfect. If you're looking for a lightweight, easy-to-use solution for your deck, patio, or steps, this battery-powered option offers great convenience. What people say. This snow remover is very effective at clearing snow from my driveway. The design of the snow remover is ergonomic and easy to handle. It features a powerful motor that makes snow removal a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.